Oh, here we are. I got my Baker YJ18 single barrel shotgun. I got 4-shot Winchester. I'll just shoot out that little blue water bottle there because I'm bored. Rightio. Have fun. Pretty thick, but 4-shot's pretty dodgy, so you don't get that much fun out of it. I'll just go get it for you. Gotta find the lid. Couldn't find the lid, but it says bullet holes all through it. That's the exit. Yeah, just filled it up with a bit of water, but this plastic's pretty bendable, pliable, whatever you call it. So it's pretty soft, so it molds easy. If it was glass or something, it would be better, but can't complain. Alright, too easy.